In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make 3 very simple guns. So the first one I'll be showing you how to make is the AK-47. So you'll be needing these pieces. These could be brown, it's just that I don't have a brown version of them. So first you get the little Star Wars mini blaster, and you go put that and that on either side. Then with the back of this piece, you put it in. And with this piece, just put it right here, and there you have an AK-47. Then for this gun you need these pieces. First you stick this in the medium-sized Star Wars blaster. Put one of these in here like that, and then boom. And then for the final gun, it's more complicated than the other two. You'll be needing these pieces. So first you get this piece, and over here you stick it in and put this piece right here. Get this 1x3 and put it right here. And there you have a minigun. Hope you like and subscribe, and bye.